If the thought of another Zoom call already makes you tense up, this video is for you. Not because you hate working, but because you're tired of the talking, the explaining, and being on all day. You log off exhausted without doing real work. That's not laziness, it's interaction fatigue. Today, I'll show you quiet remote jobs with no phone calls and minimal social drain. A lot of people think remote work automatically means calm. But many remote jobs are actually more social than office jobs, just digitally. Daily stand-ups, team syncs, check-ins, Slack messages, voice notes, and quick calls that never stay quick. If you're introverted or just burned out from customer-facing work, that constant interaction can be the hardest part, not the tasks. You don't need to work less. You need less noise while you work. Let me say this clearly. Wanting quiet doesn't mean you're lazy, unmotivated, or antisocial. Some people do their best work when they can focus deeply without interruptions. You can still be reliable, smart, and valuable without being the loudest person in the meeting. So if you've been feeling guilty for wanting low interaction work, drop that guilt. It's just a work style, and it's valid. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 quiet remote jobs you can do from home with no phone calls, very few meetings, and long stretches of focused, independent work. And these aren't vague job categories. I'll explain what the work looks like, what it typically pays, and where to search. For each job, you'll get 3 things. 1, what you actually do day to day. 2, what the pay usually looks like. And 3, exactly where to find roles, with the titles you should search. So if you want a quiet job where you can just do your work and log off without feeling socially drained, stay with me. Here's the good news. You don't have to sacrifice your peace to earn money. Quiet work exists. Companies hire for it every day. The issue is, most people don't know what to search for, or they only see loud, customer-facing roles promoted online. So let's get practical and break these down one by one. Quick reminder, quiet doesn't mean no communication ever. It means communication is mostly written, email, chat, project tools, instead of constant live calls. If that sounds like a better life, let's start with job number 1. First up, data entry specialist. One of the most straightforward, quiet jobs out there. This role is great if you like clear instructions, simple tasks, and working independently. And because it's behind the scenes, you're usually not dealing with customers, complaints, or live conversations. Your job is to keep information accurate, organized, and usable. A company might have invoices, scanned forms, spreadsheets, customer records, and that information has to be entered correctly so other departments can use it. On a normal day, you might take data from one place and move it to another, scanning through a file, typing details into a database, correcting small errors, checking formatting, making sure names, dates, and numbers match. It's quiet, repetitive, and focused, which a lot of introverts actually enjoy. Most communication happens through email or task tools like Asana or Trello. You get the instructions, you do the work, you submit it. No phone calls, no video meetings. And because your output is measurable, correct data entered, you don't have to perform socially to prove you're working. Pay is commonly $15 to $25 per hour, with many roles landing around $19 to $20. Full-time, that can land around $35,000 to $40,000 per year, depending on the company and workload. This isn't a flashy role, but it's a steady, quiet option that gets you paid without draining your energy. You'll want basic computer comfort, simple spreadsheet skills, and a typing speed around 40 words per minute. But the biggest skill is attention to detail. If you're the type who naturally notices a wrong number, a misspelling, or a missing field, you'll do well here. This is one of those jobs where being careful is a superpower. Search on Indeed, LinkedIn, and FlexJobs. Use titles like Data Entry Specialist, Data Entry Clerk, Data Administrator. And when you apply, Focus your resume on accuracy, reliability, and tools you've used, even if it was school, volunteering, or previous admin work. If you want quiet work that feels like headphones on, world off, the next job is perfect. Job number 2 is online transcriptionist. Perfect if you have a good ear and quick fingers. You're not talking to anyone, you're listening and typing. And for a lot of introverts, that feels like a relief. You receive an audio or video file, maybe an interview, lecture, podcast, or voice note, and you type out what's being said. You work independently, usually with a deadline and formatting rules. Once you start, it's just you, your headphones, and focus. And because the goal is accuracy, your success comes from concentration, not communication. Most companies pay per audio hour, not per hour you work. Beginner rates are often $15 to $25 per audio hour. When you're new, it can take longer to finish one audio hour, and that's normal. As you improve your speed and accuracy, your effective hourly rate increases. So in the beginning, it's often best treated as a side income while you build skill. You'll need strong listening skills, decent grammar and punctuation, and ideally a typing speed of 50 words per minute. A solid headset makes a big difference. Some people later use a foot pedal to control playback faster, but you don't need that at the start. The key is patience. Transcription rewards people who can focus and stay consistent. Beginner-friendly platforms include Scribby, Rev, and Go Transcript, and you can also search Transcriptionist on Upwork. And remember, you're not trying to be perfect on day one. You're building speed over time. Now let's talk about a quiet job that's mostly reading and decision-making, but with an important mental health note. Job number 3 is text-based content moderator. This is one of those jobs that keeps online communities clean, safe, and usable. And most people never realize there's a real human doing it. You review written content, comments, posts, product reviews, and check whether it follows platform rules. You're not arguing with users. You're not responding publicly. You're applying guidelines and flagging anything that breaks the rules. Most communication is through chat or email with your team. This job is quiet, but it isn't always emotionally easy. Depending on the platform, you may see negative or disturbing content. So the quiet part is about phone calls and meetings, not always about what you're reading. It's important to set boundaries, take breaks, and choose roles that feel manageable for you. Pay is often $16 to $28 per hour, with higher pay for overnight shifts or bilingual roles. Many companies train you on their policies, so experience isn't always required. If you're consistent and fair, you can do well, because this role rewards people who can follow rules carefully. If you're the type of person who notices typos instantly, the next job is going to feel like it was made for you. Job number 4 is remote proofreader or editor. This is perfect for detail-oriented people who enjoy correcting writing and making text clean and professional. You review blog posts, website copy, manuscripts, marketing emails, and you fix grammar, spelling, punctuation, and clarity issues. Most of the work happens inside Google Docs or Microsoft Word using suggestion tools. You're usually communicating through email or project management tools, not calls. And because the work is quiet and focused, it can be very satisfying if you love precision. Pay commonly falls around $20 to $40 per hour and can go higher in specialized areas. To start, you don't need a huge portfolio. Even a few before and after samples can show your skill. And you can find work on Upwork and Fiverr or by searching proofreader/editor roles directly. Before companies launch websites or apps, they need real people to test them. You're given instructions like find a product and check out. Then you report anything confusing or broken. It's quiet, task-based work that fits well into short time blocks. Most tests pay around $10 for 15 to 20 minutes, which often works out to roughly $10 to $25 per hour of active testing time, depending on how many test invitations you receive. This works best as flexible side income rather than a full-time role, but it's one of the easiest, quiet ways to start earning online. You can find these testing opportunities on platforms like User Testing, Userlytics, and Playbook UX. So to recap, we covered data entry, online transcription, content moderation, remote proofreading, and website or app testing. All of these let you work from home with minimal calls, minimal interaction, and focused, quiet work. If this helped, subscribe for more quiet remote job ideas. And for flexible, low interaction jobs you can do at night or after work, watch the next video.